This section is pretty similar to the last one. Basically based on this, if you had something like the absolute value of x equals the absolute value of y, well, they have the same absolute value, so that means they must be the same number or the opposite number. So that would mean that x equals y or x equals negative y. So it works out very similar to what we had done before. A slightly modified version of this would be something of this form. The absolute value of ax plus b equals the absolute value of cx plus d. So in this case, it would be ax plus b. It either equals the cx plus d, or it would be its opposite. And with this part, you got to watch out for. Ax plus b equals the negative of parentheses cx plus d, close the parentheses. So the key part there is that negative would end up having to get distributed through on that right equation. So other than that, the section is pretty similar. I'll just get one started for us just to have an example, and then in the homeworks, I think you'll be able to take it from there. So for example, if we have the absolute value of 6x minus 7 equals the absolute value of 2x plus 3, then that means that 6x minus 7 equals 2x plus 3, or 6x minus 7 equals the negative of, and in parentheses, 2x plus 3. So the left equation solves pretty naturally, just like what we've been doing. I'm going to touch on the right side because that's the part that kind of has the additional step of distributing that negative. So this would be 6x minus 7 equals negative 2x minus 3, and then solve from there.